Hold on, let me put it this way. I hit it from the crane, bro. Let's go.
Right that.
Yo, welcome back, guys. It's Tize, and today we're going to teach y'all how to do a can swap or a can neck on IW4X and Armoire 2. This is like really simple. It doesn't really get more simple than this, but it looks really cool. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that right now. Please make sure you pop over to my Twitch stream, twitch.tv/Tize. Drop me a follow there. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you click that button. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, and I appreciate you guys for watching. All right, guys, so to do the sprint swap or the sprint neck, it's literally so simple. So right now I've got an MP5K as my secondary. All you have to do is sprint and press Y, and it basically will knack to your intervention or whatever your primary is. So if I just regularly press A or Y just like normal while I have it out, that's what it does, right? But if you sprint and press Y, and then you can double tap Y after and shoot like immediately after you double tap Y. Just like that. So it's kind of like similar to like just any other knack, like a RPG fast swap or like reload knack. Pretty much the exact same thing, except it's just like a different combination of buttons. Literally any pistol, or not pistol, any like SMG or machine pistol. Like if I had like a PP2000, you could do it with that. You could do it with like a TMP. I'm not sure about G18s. I don't really use those often, but yeah. So for this example, we're gonna be doing an MP5K. But yeah, like I said, simple as that. Just sprint Y. Like I said, you can double tap Y and immediately shoot after you do that. What I like to do is try to go for a reload knack into a can swap into the sprint knack. Something like that. I didn't get the reload knack because I was out of time, but we're gonna try to go for some combo like that, and I'm gonna show you guys some good attempts and hopefully not a lot of bad attempts. By the end of the video, hopefully we hit this shot, give you guys a good example on what it looks like in kill cam. First game on, last round, see if we can hit. Can I please reload knack? Yeah, look like shit. Dude, reload knacks, man. The timing is so trash. If I got it from the Sui, that'd be crazy. I would hit that. I would hit that, bro. Dog. Oh, that's how you do a sprint knack. Bill, we hit those. So disappointing. The plus 550, man. It was kind of steezy if, you know, I would have, you know, been like right here when I hit. Big shout out to TOFTBOYS as well. If you guys don't already follow TOFTBOYS, make sure you go follow her. She's always going live right after I'm done with my stream, so it'd be really dope if you guys could stop by her stream as well. Oh yeah, we're hitting. We're 100% hitting. Oh, I landed on the roof, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, dude, that one kind of should have hit, bro. Hold on, let me put it this way. I hit it from the crane, bro. Let's go. Yeah, let's go, man. That's how you guys do a sprint neck or a sprint swap, however you want to say it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video helped you learn how to do a sprint neck or a sprint swap, make sure you drop a like on the video. It really helps me a lot. And also make sure you subscribe. A lot of you guys that are watching my YouTube videos are not subscribed. So if you made it to this end of this video, you might as well subscribe, you know what I mean? Also, come over to my Twitch stream, twitch.tv/Tize. We're doing stuff like this live literally every single other day. And then also, we just want to give a quick shout out to my girlfriend. All of this content wouldn't be possible without her gifting me this amazing PC, the desk, mouse, keyboard, microphone, camera, ring light, monitors, everything. So make sure you guys go over to her Twitch stream and on her YouTube. Check her out, leave her a follow, leave her a subscription. Would really mean a lot to me if you guys could do that. Pull up to her Twitch streams every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Right when I get off the stream, she's going to be getting on stream about 8 p.m. US Eastern time. So, but yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I really do appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for watching. More tutorials coming soon. Have a good day. Hold on, let me put it this way. I hit it from the crane, bro. Let's go. Yo, let's go, man. That's how you guys do a sprint neck.